Alright, everybody. Are you ready for some football?
Yeah!
Alright, let's get over with. Did you just teleport to Dinosaur World?
Huh?
You said we're watching a Super Bowl! Change it back!
Yeah, you heard him. You had to change it back.
Is that a dinosaur?
Oh, great. We're in the middle of space.
That's not right! Change it!
Guys, I feel uncomfortable with that space right now. Can you change it? Okay.
Wait, what? Hey, we're in the ocean.
Huh? Oh. Hey, is that a shark?
Shark?
Bye, bug.
Huh? Seriously?
What?
Change it. Come on. We're gonna be late. Okay.
Hey, you were supposed to change us back to home. Huh? Oh, this is a football.
Yeah!